Okay, you guys, here we are. Numbers 49 and 50, we are in the home stretch, which is awesome. All right, so this should look familiar to all of us. This is a parabola. The way that we know that is there is only one squared term here. So the thing that is awesome about this type of a parabola in this form is that we can directly extract all the information that we need to just by the fact that it's in this format. So the vertex of this is at -4, -5. Remember, anytime it's in the parentheses, you flip the sign, okay? Then, this is our A term. We're going to use that in a minute. So let's see. We've got to graph it. So this is actually a pretty quick problem. So, our vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So -4, -5 is right down there. So that's that. Now, from here, because our A term is -3, from the vertex, I didn't draw this very well, from the vertex we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, and out 1 in either direction. And it goes downward from there. So that's how you figure out which way the graph opens, and that's the significance of A. Okay? Last problem. Yay! Okay, we have another parabola. So number 50, y equals x squared minus 6x plus 5. And this one is in a different form. If you watch the parabola videos, you know that. And the form that we're in now is one that has a bunch of different names. I don't know that we need to go into all those names again, but the coefficient in front of the x squared is a, in front of the x is b, and in front of that does not have any x's attached to it is c. So to get the x coordinate of the vertex, we need -b over 2a. So in this case, that's -6 over 2 times 1, which is 6 divided by 2, or 3. Make sure you all can see that. You can. Okay? Now, once we have the x coordinate of the vertex, we take that and plug it in anywhere there is an x into the equation. So we get 3 squared minus 6 times 3 plus 5, which comes out to 9 minus 18 plus 5, or 9 minus 18, that's -9 plus 5 is -4. So our vertex is at 3 is the x coordinate and -4 is the y coordinate. All right, so that's that, and we have our A up here. So let me make sure that I actually center my axes according to where my graph is going to be. If the vertex is 3, -4, that's down in this quadrant. Okay, so here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Okay, and then, so we go to the right 3 and down 4. And because our A is an invisible 1, from the vertex we're going up 1 and out 1 each. So up 1 and out 1 each, connecting with a curve. Okay, it's as simple as that. So, we are done with our practice final review. Now let me give you guys a couple of study tips. One of the ways that I aced some serious exams when I was in college, I think some of you know that there's a roller coaster in the background right now. This signifies that I actually wanted to be a Disneyland Imagineer and design roller coasters for a living. And then when I got to UC Berkeley and started taking my mechanical engineering classes where everything started to move, I quickly got rid of the idea of roller coasters for a living. Anyway, the point is, when I was at Berkeley, I discovered a really great way of studying for my exams, and that was if I was given a study guide, like you all have been, I would go through and redo the problems in the study guide over and over and over again without notes, and you all have the correct solutions, so you can kind of make note of what your mistakes are and get practice, practice, practice. Okay, so I hope you all do that. I'm sure you're going to do great on your final, and study, 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 and I will see you in class.